Meaning Jo Acholi, welcome back to the show. I'm Chaka Leb Acholi, segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. I'm Jackline Ikang of Cont'd. Please join the live. Tell your friends, tell your family. Share on your page, your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, anything. Please, I'll my tech. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you'd like to be a guest, please send me a private message on Facebook. We're on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi, or you can leave a comment under any video. You can do that on Facebook, and you can do that also on YouTube, and we'll get back to you. We are on Facebook and YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. This segment is Kwan Leb Acholi, where I'm reading a textbook about the Acholi people of South Sudan in Acholi. The text is completely in Acholi. I do leave comments in English. For our wider audience, those who do not understand Acholi or speak Acholi, we do have Acholi across the globe, and we also have more people that may understand the Acholi language. For our non-Luo, non-Acholi speakers, I do leave comments in English. As you know, we've been reading about the Obbo clan of the Acholi people of South Sudan and all their chiefs. We found that Chief Aburi, divided Obbo because it's too large into two, Obbo territories to the left and Obbo territories to the right. I've read about the right, where the chiefs were in Obbo. Now I'm reading about the territories to the left. I'm a bit in a rush to finish reading about the left, so I can jump into the Padyeri subclan, where I'm from, where my father's from. My mother is from Obbo, my father's from Padyeri, so now I'm going to be reading about Padyeri in the next couple of days. So stay tuned, okay? There's so many clans in the Acholi tribe in both Southern Sudan or South Sudan and Uganda. So I want to cover as much as I can about our culture, our history, our origin, our relationship to Acholi ethnic, other ethnic groups, or Acholi ethnic group and other groups within the Luo ethnic group. And also expand on our understanding of the Acholi language. I know I wrote the word Acholi with an H. Please note that there's no H in Acholi language. The correct spelling is Acoli. I spelled it like this so it's easier for those who do not speak Acholi to pronounce it correctly. Chaka is also spelled without the H. I added the H to make it easy for our non-Acholi speakers to pronounce Chaka correctly. Okay, so it's Chaka Leb Acholi, meaning passing time or discussing in the Acholi language. Some people like to say Namo. I saw somebody's comment saying Namo Leb Acholi. You can say Chaka Leb Acholi, you can say Namo Leb Acholi. Both terms are correct. The Acholi language also has different dialects, depending on which clan you may be from or which region within Southern Sudan and Northern Uganda that you're from, okay? I'm for joining. I'm not gonna spend too much time talking now. I wanna jump into reading. Last session, session 36, you can go back and watch those previous videos to catch up. I was reading about Lacam, and I started with Jo Pajombo and Jo Logolo. Okay, how they migrated and settled in the Obbo territory from different parts. Some people came from Uganda, Lango. Some people came from Bari or Bad. Some people came from Lokide, okay, and they settled into Obbo, including Jo Bura, Padyeri Bura, Padyeri Paliech, and they were protected by the Acholi who were already in that territory, and also Acholi from Padyeri. helped a lot of these new settlers in Obbo fight against invasion or attacks. And Logolo also, those are people from Lokaro. Gibere team Logolo, okay. And I ended there, okay, about Pajom and Logolo. Now I will go into Ngoni, Padyeri. I'll read about Padyeri, team Padyeri. Then Opoko-Mere, and then team Got Opoko-Mere, okay. Then I will go into Lokide, and then team Got me Lokide, and then Adonya look me up, Pingo Dana Mao Bino Gi Waha, Oponya Leb Acholi ma Yura Yur. Remember, give me a Chuli Kapola, Jo Bari, Jo Lokoro, Jo Lami. But they were able to learn Acholi fast and assimilate into the culture, learn the language and the culture, mainly with the help of those Acholi from Pajok. The chiefs from Pajok were very friendly to them, and they were able to support them in the battles they had against other foreigners invading their territory and robbing them, okay? So now, Chiraka Kwananga, Padyeri, okay? If you know anything about Padyeri, if you're from Padyeri, please do me a favor, drop a comment under this video. Let me know about the information I'm reading. Do you have any corrections? Also share with your family and friends if you're from Padyeri. And if you're from any other region that I will cover today, please drop your comments, share with family and friends. Join a discussion. Let's learn together. This is the first time I'm learning what people from Padyeri and the other parts of Obbo. So let's learn together. I pull out my tech. Okay, so la chojo chone ngone kanye Padyeri tiegi dok uri matino ario kidman. Patyeno gi Bwola, okay. Patyeno obino gi dok od me Duk-pa-dyer. Well, Duk-pa-dyer. What does that mean? We'll drop comments here. Matie lobo Dinka agar. Wow, we been get Dinka. Dinka agar. Gino wuro kachel gidano mi Okano-Mere. Jo Okano-Mere odonyi lobo bo ginying Dinka agar. Nying ma gilungo tini Okano-Mere. Obino la chien kidma wabineno ipod warga mi achel gi pier bongwan we adek. La dit kirkon obero la tela pa jo Patyeno kala dit oyat kono obero la tela pa jo Okano-Mere. Nen chalo luak mi Patyeno gi Okano-Mere wagi ilobo Dinka agar. Ikin moa apar boro gi pier biche wabongwen pilokom laro diangi mau bero ikin gi omero mokena ma odong chien I Duk-pa-dyer. Okay, wala Duk-pa-dyer. Ikara maluak pa girakon gi oyat o wel ngom Duk-pa-dyer nyo Duk-pa-dyer gin obino ogon irejaf. Matie chok gi capital city me Southern Sudan matin walungo ni Juba. Okay. Duan wacho ni Jo Patyeno gi Jo Okano-Mere. Gino bero irejaf chok mwaga abij chila chen gino nongone ngomi rejaf pe ngom ma chiro chiom. Pilogman kirakon kioyat gino kwanyo luak megi wagoge ngom rejaf gino chira I Got Lotii kama gino nongodano mi Obbo mokene manena obino wi oti ati tie iye. Imo aman brod Kassiba ma nongo loyo dano mi Obbo ikara madano mi Patyeno gid Okano-Mere ori Got Lotii ruot ojolo gin mabe ko mi bodgi ngomi gero Jo Patyeno Jo Patyeno ogero pat ka luakpa oyat nyo Okano-Mere gino gero ma parapat ma ngara chel lo kome kene kari bed gin duju politie ite loch parot Kassiba. Okay, so gibino gi Dinka ngamba Dinka gi poko kum gibino yala jumogi gina gibino under oyat nyo Okano-Mere jumogi bino gi ngone Duk-pa-dyer. Okay, man jongone Patyeno and Bwola. He been a large pa Kassiba at the time. Okay, Jo Bolo gino bedo dano mi Koyo bira nyo Ngabara. Ikarma gino neno luak mi Patyeno dong o tiro ger uri megi ka ma ruot Kassiba mi bodge ikin moha mi apara bor gi piera biro luak mi Bwola o dak waka gi kom Koyo bira gino bino ogero i kom dano mi Patyeno kala chen dok padman ario o lungo kom gini Padyeri. Okay, so jo Ngabara nyo jo Koyo bira gibino kom jo ngone gibino ikom jo Patyeno, and they ended up being called Padyeri. Okay, Girma wako dano mi Bwola o wako gi kom dano mi Koyo bira. Girma wako dano mi Bwola wako gi kom dano mi Koyo bira. Wan pa wangeo ma luak mi Patyeno gi luak mi Bwola dong o ribo kom gi o dogo achiel. Achien lo diro kaka o mio chik ma tek ni nyom pe miero oberi kin Lotino awobe mi Patyeno gi Lotino anyira mi Bwola gi tung chel gin bene o chiko ni nyom miero pe ober ikin Lotino awobe mi Bwola gi Lotino anyira mi Bwola kari bet o diro o kero chik kwar ma tek kin kidman chila chien wanongo ni Lotino mokene pe ogwo chik man gino bero ka nyome ikingi watin pori wanongo ni nyom tie ikin jo Bwola gi jo Patyeno gin jo achiel pod gi nyome. Okay, yala man no madonye lok mi ngoni team mi got mi Padyeri ochoni ngoni dano mi Padyeri tie gi team achiel keken mi ma gilungo team abar ma wange oromo gi team agongara team amalat team oloyo tiko gi team la deng la team mi Patyeno aye ma koro chiriba mi team abar. Okay, wan dong pe wangeo nying dano machon ma obero ka lamoki ka royal team abar ento ngad ma luak mi obo tin ngeo ni en la royal team abar aye la dit masemino oyonda mi Patyeno ikara ma bedo ka penyo dano mi obo wanongo ni job Padyeri peregi got nyo jok pien nen chalo i mwama jo Padyeri o kwere ilobo obo gino nongo ruot Koyo patany dong o tiro pogo got gi wang jok bodano ma obino chon. Okay, by the time they got there nongo ngom nong pere so gi pegi jok tugi wele got. Okay, they came too late. Mana ti adonyo lok mingo Opoko-Mere jo Opoko-Mere la chojo choni ngoni Gang Opoko-Mere tie gi dok udi matino ario kidman. Opoko-Mere gi Okano-Mere. Jo Opoko-Mere obino gi e karamoro matie I gang Iyire. Gino bino ogero I kabedo matin dano mi Opoko-Mere tie ye loka kulu matie I porocheng gi polotaka mission. Okay. Chon gi chon nying Opoko-Mere onongo pere I di kal mi Obbo nyo di kal mi Iyire. Nying man obino I kare ma jo Okano-Mere odakwere I gang Iyire kid ma wabineno pinkany. Lok Okano-Mere gi Leb Acholi tien lok ni dano ma okano jami ma mio bore ni ogwore. Ka lok Opoko-Mere bene gi Leb Acholi tien lok ni dano ma opoko jami ogwore ma kun omio bore ni en miero okan nyo anyaya. Man bere nyuru bodwani nen chalo la dika ka mi Okano-Mere omio diri bore bot lotino ario ma I dok ot man we gino gwore le man nyo ka en openyo. Lo dira chuli omaro temo chwiny lotino pien gin miro neno latin mene ma kwiri gi latin mene ma pe kwiri. Ka in pe dano ma maro gwoko chik chi nongo ni I atura nyo turo chik ni I turo chik ento ka in dano ma maro gwoko chik ya gigi ne. Ginongo ni jami duji o time kidmal la dit miro. Okay. Ikin lotin ario ma ugamo diri gi bod la dit. Latin achiel obedo ka gwoko diri ma onywalo mabe. Ento latin achiel ka oneno ni min diel onywalo buong diel nyok diel. Ka latin diel man odongo en mio wako bot la reme. Inge mo angwen la dit oluongo lotin ario man ka wajo bot gini. Indong miro ngeo wel diri manene en omio ni ogadi. Latin awuobi mi achiel ma ogwoko diri ma mere mabe. Okelo diri chok abong ngwen inyim la dit. La dit ma oneno ni wel diri miere omere obedo gi yom chwiny ikom latin man. Ka wajo bore ni latin in kare ingeo kano jami rubanga ogwok in. Inge man latin awuobi mi ario ma obedo ka poko diri mere bene okelo inyim la dit nyok diel achiel gi buong diel achiel maneno la dit omio bore. La dit dongo wajo bot ne bore ni. Latin in pe tuero mako gang. Ka kejo pori lobo bo dano meri nyo mera chamo ginango. In pe ngeo gwoko jami pien imaro poko jami ma miero okony ot bot laremi nyoloremi pien in bene pe itamo pi digi. Okay. La cho ma poko digi mere chwinye pe be obedo yom. Pi poch mala dit obedo ka poyo kwere omine ma ogwoko digi mere mabe. Ma pori pe okaro nina dek lok man okelo lweny madiri kinotino cho ario man. Mod la cho ma opoko digi wako kachiel gi lotina mere gin olungo kumgi ni Jo Opoko-Mere. Kala cho ma onyayo diri kachiel gi lwak mere gino gak ki nying kwaro ni Okano-Mere. Lukman dujo time ikare ma luak mi Opoko-Mere pori tie Iyire. Iyire. Please let me know if I'm pronouncing Nyingang incorrectly. Iyire or Iyire? Is this Iyire? Is this Iyire? Man aye gin ma oweho tin Opoko-Mere Opoko-Dok-ot ario. Okano-Mere gi Opoko-Mere. Okay, drop your comments. Did you know this history, this information? Okay, kanongani. Okano-Mere lo dira chuli mapol. Okano-Mere lo dira chuli mapol ma obero kalok kwedgi gin wajani Jo Okano-Mere gino bino kachiel gi Jo Patyeno mi Padyeri gino bino gi Dok-ot ma Duk-pa-dyer Duk-pa-dyer matie gang Dinka agara kin ma wabero kaneno ne ilok ma dok dano Patyeno wanongo ni la dit kira kon aye otelo wi luak mi Patyeno ento luak mi Okano-Mere Dinka agar la dit oyat aye otelo gin ma amiro dano ma kwano buk man miro onyang en aye ni gira kon gi oyat gino mego won gi achiel ento pe wang'eyo ka min gi tie pat e kara ma oyat owek ng'om mi Duk-pa-dyer gin bene obino ogony i reserve gin obedo kany chok moga beach chila chien gino nongo ni ng'om mi reserve bene pe ng'om ma cheko chum piman oyat gin gi omine kirikon gin okwanya luak megi wako gi ng'om reserve gichira i Got Lotii kama gin onongo dano mi Obbo mokene maneno obino wi ati aye iye. Muhammad ruoth Kassiba ma onongo loyo dano mi Obbo. E kare ma dano mi Okano-Mere gi Patyeno i Got Lotii ruoth Kassiba ojolo gin maber ka omiyo bot gi ng'om mi gero. Jo Patyeno ogero pat ka luak pa oyat nyo Okano-Mere gin oger mapat ma ng'ara achiel loyo kome kene kari bet gin duju podi tie ite loch pa ruoth Kassiba. Ng'e mwaka manok ma buri omiyo tim logolo bod jo Iyire dano mi Okano-Mere odak wako loka nyaka ka gin ogero ikom jo Iyire. Wandong pe wang'eyo pingo luak pa oyat otamo mi dak ikin jo Iyire. Wan bene pe wang'eyo ka wat tie ikin jo Okano-Mere Dinka agara ikin mwaka 14 gi 32 jo Okano-Mere gi jo Opoko-Mere gino bino ogero kabedo matin dano mi Opoko-Mere tie matie i lokal kulu ayi matie i poruching gi polotaka mission. Yala wadonyo ka kwan ngoni team gi got Opoko-Mere. Okay. Jo Opoko-Mere pere gi team nyo got. Ento gin tie gi jok ma gi luongo jok Nyarubanga. E kar ma abedo ka kwana warga ma lubu ka choke pa jo Obbo gi Iyire ma obedo inino 23 wi 24 mi dwe mi 12 mwaka ilibario gi abiro gino wajo ni chon gi chon jo Opoko-Mere onongo tie gi team mokene ma giluongo team aduch wala aduche aduch team labala nyo lobela team lobela gi team obeng monye chi jo Opoko-Mere omio team aduch gi team lobela bodano mi palwo wala palwo kagin omio team obeng monye bojo Imurok. Okay, if you know this history, drop your comments, please. Support my tech. Kangoni, Logma wera jo Opoko-Mere omio kwere team aduch, team lobela gi team lobeng monye waka bojo palwo gi jo Imurok wan pe wangeo. Okay. So, nan wati adonning on it. Lokide. I'm checking my time. Ochoning about jo Lokide. Okay. Ilokide, danam ilokide tiegi dok uri Martino Ario Kidman. Lokide Bura gi Lokide KuruKak. Okay. Lokide Bura gino bino gi dok od mi okulu matie ilobo Imurok. Jo Bura waka gi I okulu pien imwaha menu kejo por marach Imurok. Chila dit oboyo ma oneno ni luak mere ma pol tie katoy gi kech. Eno kwany dano ma odong ka gin ochaka wuot ma kun gin dok kwere yo tung piny or south. Okay? Gino bino ogony ka bedo ma giluongo ni palaya palea matie iti team Mary Lokide kama jo KuruKak onongo gin iye. Jo Bura onongo ni ngomi palaya obedo ngoma be ma chaka cham. Ento ichwil pitie ma romo dano duchu. Ki kare mi oro nongo pi tek mada munchiro kadwaro pi miera dek nyuangwen pilok mi pi oweko jo Bura gi jo KuruKak o awaka gi palaya gino dak otwong. Okay? Jo Bura gi jo KuruKak pe ori otwong inge mwaka manok gino dak kubiri nyo Loudo gidaka Loudo kama gino nongo iye jo Loudo mokene. Jo Bura gidaka Loudo en jo ene. Lokide Bura gidaka kom Loudo. Okay? Lokide KuruKak kono obino gi dok od mi nya rubanga. Matie ibili nyang ilobo mi ba. Jo Lokide KuruKak munu jo ba gibino gi bili nyang. Okay? Dano wajine jo KuruKak waka gi lobo ba pilokom kech. Imohamenu kech opori lobo ba ma okwara loyo apiela. There's a place in Balunga, Okwara, Loyo, Apiela. Okwara loy apiela iba gibinagea. Okay. Mun kam no keje poro ye kamanga okwara loy apiela keje poro kenyo iba kagibino kere ping. So la did alia cage ma oneno la did alia cage ma oneno ni Okano-Mere tie kata ma poli cage en okwanyo dong dano gi kagin ochako wuot makun gin dok kwere yo tung yango nyo south east gino chiro o e palaya kama gin ono ye Jo Lokide Bura. Okay, the did oboyo mi bura o jolo lwak pa alia cage ka omiyo bodgi kabero ikany gin odoko dano achiel kala chien gin oweko palaya pi lokom pi gin odak achiel gi Jo Bura e otwong jo KuruKak gi Jo Bura peori e otwong e nge mwa manok gin odak e kubiri nyo e Loudo kama gin onongo ye Jo Loudo mokene. So Jo Lokide gin dong gite Jo Loudo gi agi wargi wire gi bino e kom Jo gi bino otwong bo Jo Bura mokene ne nung pi pere ko gi ringo keji okenyo gi nung ne pi pere so gi dak gi chere Loudo kama nung kubiri Loudo. Okay, team gi got mil Lokide la choju choni ngoy lopeni ni chon gi chon Jo Lokide onongo tie gi team adek man team Mary Lokide team Lohubi gi team Mataburu chi ikimwa apar bongwen gi piere dek Jo Lokide ocholo team Mataburu gi kuo bodjo panyibila nyo Jo Iyire pilokom latina nyaga mi panyibila ma Jo Lokide onego. Okay, Lokide gi nego latin nyaga mo mi panyibila so gi chul kuna gi miyo ngom tugi team Mataburu gi miyo ho pia nyaga ma gi nego Jo Lokide nego latin ma panyibila gi miyo po Jo panyibila Mataburu, I'm sorry. Nen chalo chon gi chon Leb Acholi kala tin mo chinge oromo okare kom la reme dano mi wi gangi mokene gin chulu gi latina nyaka tiro nyo team mara ye gin ma oweko Jo Lokide ochulo latina nyaka mi Iyire gi team imwaha ma Jo Lokide omiyo team man bojo Iyire gino kwera lungo team man gi nying machon Mataburu gin dong olungo team man gi nying ma nyen ni oloyo tira dano mi Iyire omiyo nying oloyo tira pien gin onongo ni kala tina nyaga man onongo ochul gi tira onongo ngara chiel keken marugu tira man gin dong otamni team be loyo tira pien inino midwa ka dano nigole latin Iyire moke ken twere ngolo le man Mana ye tien look ma weko Jo Iyire. I'm sorry, Oyere, Jo Oyere, Oloko Nying Mataburu, Odogo Oloya Tega Pilokman. Okay, so Pilokman or Jo Lokide Odongi team Aria Keken. Mana ye team Mary Lokide gi team Lohube Lohubi. Who drop your comments get your kwana name right, okay? Lohubi. Ento dana mi Obbo mokene wajani Jo Lokide o mio team Lohubi waka bod Jo Imurok chikid ma anyang kwere gi bod lodir mokene Jo Lokide peo mio team man waka watin team Lohube yo Lohubi pori team Lokide team Mary Lokide wange oromogi Mary Gala Apedo team Agongara team Gili gi team La Deng Deng Dana Machion Maobedo Calamity Man Dana Maobedo Calamity Man wan pe wangeo nyingi ento ngad ma luak mi Obbo ngeo ni la rueti Mere Lokide aye pira onge wodpa odur Obbo ngeo ni la rueti Mere Lokide aye pira onge wodpa odur Jomon lo ngeo nyingi ko, okay? Drop your comments ku ngeo nying jomo magi berka roe lorwe announcement team ini nyingi nga waji ka inmi Lokide nyo Loudo nyo Iyire okay dana mi Lokide tie gi jok achiel magi lungu jok mul jok man tie I dok kulu ayi okay iti Mere Lokide ento dana mi Lokide pere gi God okay yellow the last thing mala choji chokan before donyo dula pa log mi agulu kot mi Obbo the last two paragraphs of fan ma yurka gi ko kan for today okay ningoni pingo dano ma obino gi wako oponyo Leb Acholi oyoro okay la choji cho ningo kanye remember jono wangi bini kama pat kon gi bino gi Dinka gi bino gi ba gi bino gi lokoro gi bino gi kan wangi donyo di Obbo di Acholi gi ponya Acholi omi gi ngom nyo gi wilo ngom gi bedo kedwa do Acholi di Obbo pingo so la chojo cho kanye ngani kin ma wabedo kaneno ne I book man wanongo ni dana mapol mi Acholi Obbo kino bino gi kabir ma para pat chalo ba Dinka Imurok Lokoya gi Lotugo man bene nyuru bodwani dana man gin pe logo Leb Acholi gin bedo nongo logo leb ma para pat chalo leb Lotugo Dinka Imurok nyo Lokoya dana megi oponyo Leb Acholi la chien dana ma logo Leb Acholi kare ma cha obero jo pokongo gi Padyeri Bura pien gin dana mi luo tie lok angwen ma onyuru tie lok angwen ma onyuru gin ma oweko dano ma pe luo oponyo Leb Acholi street anyway every time I'm recording every 30 minutes see when your ambulance fire truck police come on wow yala ochoningo tie lok angwen ma nyuru gin ma oweko dano ma pe luo oponyo Leb Acholi lok man tie kidman okay mi achiel I mwaka macha dano duchu mati lobo dano weng mati I Obbo ono gin tie ite lodge pa road achiel ma ena ye road aburi okay road aburi en mi abong okay? Magin bene onongo logo leb lotugo chigin opunye Leb Acholi oyot, okay? Mi ario ka lok alara tie gin laro inyim ruot dok lok man gin laro gi Leb Acholi. Tim owajo maber ni dano mi pa jomo gi pokongo aye ma weko dano logo Leb Acholi ikare mi laro lok inyim ruot. Gi mi ario gwoko chik kwaro palo tugo oweko punyo Leb Acholi odoko yot bo dano. Mi adek dano mi Obbo gore chok ichuk magi luongo te iduro. Chuk man dano chira iye gi chieng abichiel ducho. Dong dano ma otero jami megi mi achara ichuk gin miero olok bot dano ma bino kawil gi Leb Acholi. Ki mi ang'wen dano ma oa gi woko gino nongo ni punyo Leb Acholi yot totwal. Mana ye yo ang'wen ma weko tin dano ma obino gi woko iloba Obbo opunyo Leb Acholi. Okay? Man source obino gi bot ngani Tim in 1985. Yala Tim ne wajo ni ngo e moga eni ni wacho kwede ni yo ma weko tin dano ma obino ilobo mokena odoko Acholi nen chalo oter kare bodgi mi punyo kwo gi leb manyen. Kari bed dano luongo la dit ma telo wi luak ni ruot ka wang'iyo iye matut wanongo ni ke mi ruot peo Chaka gi bot dano ma logo leb luo nyo Acholi. Inge moga apar bo ngwen gi pier bit Kaselera ochoy buk mere ni dano mi Obbo kari bed gin eno gigemono. There's something missing. Quote pa Kaselera mano gig. So, jo magi bino gi chingi ponyo Leb Acholi ma European gi chere marketplace ka charo chat. In linguistics of a lot of historians juma ponyo languages gi waninga ki mero ponyo Leb manyen miri bed environment ne yala learn how to chere chuk. Ki ngeo kin mi chere chuk ka waja the basic stuff jal amira welo kono nyanya kono munu wela di amira di nying produce gi ngongo nying bingo every day chere marketplace iponya Lebe mayot. Once you have the basic gamon bino iwore gi chore ne mot so jo Bari Dinka lo tuko kono lo koro gi nganga gi magi bino kenyo yo langi mone no gin luo mo mano luo kan gi ponyo ma European gi chere marketplace on Saturday e chuk mo lo lunga ni ngani te iduru market e Obbo kuja gi ponyo ma yot yala rotu no Acholi lakini wa ni ngo Acholi ne no Acholi ma kinyure re ko jona remember gin lo tuko gi bino gi Terangori kapwera gi kuja gin lo tuko gi logo lap tuko gi ponyo Achola ponyo ma gi bini kuma Acholi Got Lotii gi kuja lulge ya yegin gi ponyo Leb Acholi before you use sign language kalo gi Jo Acholi Jo Achola del jo pakanga gi pojomo gi ponyo dano gi Leb Acholi yala jo mo bino nyere ki mero lo gi road mero lo gi Leb Acholi. Okay, so gi ponyo marketplace gin mero gi chira chadye gi wilo bina wilo ko gi charo so use sign language nyuru ga ngongo gi ponyo basic words e chuk. That's how you learn how to speak a new language. A better environment, you learn the basics. I'm gonna teach Cameroon, keep my point, I love French. I cherry chuk. My French teacher, he made a point, I'm a bed, cherry chuk. K to work every day on the weekends, a day and Saturday, and a deal kimocha book in it. A cherry market. A cherry market, I will a chum, and a chura and love French kuya, Mira will again, Amira will on. Amira beans, Amira ring, Amira mod, it all gonna, it falls in place. Ginanin every day, in the basic exchange between down at the market and on a ponyo giye. In an kimage chima kinmage lokere. You pick it up behavior language. Can I engage each other collect too. And gumuno. I can really bit environment and keep bit environment a punya re mayo. So cha nengi punya gumuno, okay? So one ending up Jo Lokide KuruKak gi Lokide Bura gibina chel gichere otwang gi no pipe gi dak, okay? Gichere ha Loudo, okay? Got to gi bene gi wor gi cholo ko anya mama gi ne mi o ekna jo kanyo Iyire gi mi o team to ya mi cholo ko mata bor wik mi o pola gi wor gi cholo ko ni team to ko no kan chele ken la me ko ka da por team mo to lo hube ko no ngone ne who drop comments come me about when you're in gini my bad, please help me correct the pronunciation apo ma tek jo Opoko-Mere bene between Omegare and Munu Magingeo Genacone. Omia did the test achieved to one give me a test, not to go on Wakato. A chill, Lune Opoko-Mere, Piano Mio, Gina Lotino, Dielma, Manual in Chingan and Hawang, or do Engi, the original Dielma, one again, me and my one of me, chief of me. Omina Monica, no more go Hamere, or do Ogi, Dielare, Momiane, Gilotini, Abong one. Bo mia bo pora bo dano go ma be, so that's where me linya chel Opoko-Mere chel Okano-Mere o hadon money chiro gi luok bere okay le khani pingo o mi ogene one do ogene mi respect bere boro mi ne Opoko-Mere, so gi chiro munu, okay? Joman Joman gi okere yo kan gibi mer gi Jo Dinka, okay? Jo Patyeno mi Padyeri gibi mer gi Jo Okano-Mere gibi bina tel luak kena pa oyat, okay? Ni Okano-Mere lakin pore no giberi tel lodge pa Kassiba mi Obbo Jo Obbo, okay? So now team giti ninga by the time of this kena book of chane giti kulo yi, okay? Choge polotaka mission kuja Owana gi pegi team pien gi bino late kin mo no chief kin gi berka po Ngabara Obbo jano gi pe, so nigi pegi team gi pegi god lakin gitegi jok tugi lo lunga ngo jok nyaru banga man jina Jo Opoko-Mere ni pat gi Jo Okano-Mere Jo Opoko-Mere gi bino late but ikin Jo Obbo, okay? Gi bino late bo mid gi ngom timpe lakin got gina rubang tugi lo lunga ngo jo nyaru banga, okay? Gi worka po no yang gi tiegi team gi worka po na ka bodano, okay? Gi me bo Jo Imurok gi me kono gi bo palwa gi nganga gi po wang, that's why nyinge Opoko-Mere poko ga wang Opoko team pa poko le gi suffer ngam to gi pay team to gi pay gi beri kom dano, okay? Unlike brother better, okay? So gi kanye man wa Kwan wang about nga Obbo Lacam in 2 sessions, session 36 gi session 37 in wang we understood ngamuti me Obbo Lacam gangine dogala di jopa jomo ge okay pajomo logolo Padyeri Opoko-Mere gi Lokide. Okay, ocho gumunu pien Jo, remember now Jo Okano-Mere gi bibino achiel gi Jo Padyeri. Okay, ka Opoko-Mere gi gaken gi cuz ngamtu gi pe gi gor ka pogo ngamtu ngam wenga no gi bibino la chiena no gitu gi morong pe mia ka Jo Lokide Bura nganga gini. Okay, if you have any questions about Gangi and Guinea, or you have any clarifications about Gangi, and if you're from there, we'll drop comments too under this video. Next dong, gimala chocho dulmi gine, apara chel. Wanena ni, la chocho cho lumingo agulu caught me a ball. Information any just maybe 6 pages about agulu caught me a ball. I'm going to come to Kwan. I think the next time I Kwan, I skip and I chat look me per job. Okay, drop your comments. Cool, me when you look me a gulu caught me a ball at the next session reading. Well, look me and I don't look me per job though. Okay, and I put my tech. It was kind in New York. It's Christmas Eve. Moon Momuti, maybe Africa. It would already Christmas. You couldn't Europe. It would on Christmas. Merry Christmas. It would Jumatia celebrate. Happy holiday, school celebrate, go take a break, enjoy your time with your family and friends. I know the next time I'm reading, I will be spending time with family for the next couple of days. I'll be done for a few minutes. Kwan. Otherwise, I will try to resume by next week, Monday, after my break. Okay, okay, and I pour my tech and Jackline Ikang of Cont'd. My Chaka Leb Acholi. Okay. Show me segment me Kwan Leb Acholi and a poem. Please leave your comments, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chaka Leb Acholi. Facebook is Chaka Leb Acholi. Follow us, like, leave your comments and a poem. I'm on TikTok as Chaka Ikang South Sudan, and I'm on my personal Facebook as Chaka Ikang South Sudan. Okay, and a poem. To my English audience, English-speaking audience, or non-Bwola audience, I just finished reading about the Obbo territories to the left, and we found that most of the Obbo people in this region come from different tribes. Some of them come from the Bari tribe of Southern Sudan, some come from the Lokide tribe of Southern Sudan, some come from the Dinka tribe of South Sudan. Some come from, I don't know what I'm missing, Lokide people. Some come from the Loudo people. So many different tribes. Some come from Lano or Langi people from Uganda. And then they settled in the Obbo territory as we know it today under the Acholi chiefs. When they started coming, they came under Kassiba, who was the chief of the Obbo. He's a Bong chief, but ruling the whole of Obbo. And we find that they were able to learn Acholi very fast by engaging with the locals. Initially, they started using sign language, and of course, when you approach the chief of Obbo, you have to speak Acholi. So we found that they spent a lot of time in the marketplaces, going to the marketplace on Saturdays, to learn how to engage with the locals, even selling in the marketplace, by learning how to speak basic English, basically by asking the price of food or price of produce, even selling it, and watching how the Acholi people talk and engage with themselves. They were able to learn our behavior and learn the culture, and also speak their language by engaging in that environment. So being a chuk is what they call a market or marketplace. That's where they were able to learn Acholi fast. Okay, and then of course when they go and approach the chief, they would have to speak in Acholi, so they forced themselves to learn Acholi. But Acholi was very easy for them to learn, and then we have a lot of local Acholi people from like Okano, Jomo, who spoke Acholi, and they were very friendly enough to teach them Acholi. And they were very friendly in offering foods and stuff like that to them, let them learn the culture, the different types of foods, and made it easy for them to learn Acholi and become Acholi people, become people from Obbo. The one very interesting fact that stood out to me was how the two brothers were tested by their dad, Chief Alia, I believe his name was, who the two brothers of Opoko-Mere and Okano-Mere. Okay, basically he tested them by giving them sheep to keep. He wanted to see which one would be his successor. So he sent them off to their homes with sheep, one male, one, I don't know, different animals anyway, and one female, and he told them to keep it for him until he needed it. So between the two boys, one kept it, and every time the sheeps produced, one brother gave it away to his friends, basically, and he didn't keep any for himself or for his father as he was asked to. The other one kept everything. He made sure they multiplied and they produced, took good care of them and brought them back to their father. So that was how their father was able to choose his successor, basically giving his honor and respect to the son that kept all the sheeps. His name was Okano-Mere, or his group. He was named Okano-Mere, and his people called Okano-Mere because he was able to keep it. Okano means somebody that kept something or kept it for safekeeping. So he was named Okano-Mere, his people called Okano-Mere. And the other brother was called Opoko-Mere, meaning he divided what he had. He gave away what he had, so he was called Opoko-Mere. So we find that the people of Okano-Mere was always blessed because he received that blessing from their father. But the people from Opoko-Mere always struggled. They went through famine, couldn't find a place to stay, migrated quite a bit. By the time they reached the Obbo territory, like Got Lotii, they found that the chiefs had already, in that region, had already gave up and divided up land to the different chiefdoms or the different subclans, and they had nothing to give them, and they had nowhere to stay, and they had already gave up all of the land that they had prior to that, so they had nothing. They were like struggling and migrating through southern Sudan and couldn't find a place to stay. They did settle on some land near Iyire, but they had nothing of their own because their chief kept giving everything away, including land and young girls and stuff like that. Okay, so that's how it ends. It was just like 5 different subclans on the left of Obbo, and the writer stops there. That's all the information I have about those 5 subclans of the Obbo territories to the left. And if you're from any of these subclans, please drop comments under this video. Okay. So they were able to settle in Obbo and accept the rule under Kassiba, and later they settled and accepted rule under the chiefdom of Bari. Remember, Bari was the chief of the entire Obbo, but he was situated on the Obbo to the right, Obbo like Twitch in Obbo. Okay. So he ends there. The next time I will read will be probably in the next few days or next Monday, because it's the Christmas season or holiday season. Tomorrow's Christmas. For us here, it's Christmas Eve. It's about 6 to almost 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in New York. I will be spending time with family, so I will not have time to read or go live or record anything. I don't think. If I get some time in the next couple of days, I will try to record something. Otherwise, Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Jackline Ikang. Our Facebook is Jackline Ikang. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. My personal my Facebook is Cont'd South Sudan. My TikTok is Cont'd South Sudan. And upon my tech, I thank you very much. If you'd like to be a guest, leave a comment under this video or send me a DM. I would love to hear from you. Okay, thank you so much. Happy holidays, and you all take care. That's my Christmas background. It doesn't look very good. Merry Christmas, baby. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.